Frances Palmer toured us through her cutting gardens. Clearly, she's in love with her flowers, and they're in love with her. Everywhere you look, there are gorgeous blooms looking back at you. Her dahlias are her favorite. She even names some of them, but the assortment is so impressive, every color of the rainbow. She even turned an unused tennis court into a cutting garden of raised beds. It's like a library of beautiful blooms that she selects from to bring into her studio and let them inspire her ceramic creations. She showed us how she pairs the flowers to her vases, and her arrangements look like how the flowers actually grow in her gardens. She then photographs them, and they are very reminiscent of old master paintings that she shares on her Instagram for all of us to enjoy.